What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Yes, we're echoing because we're inside the model unit for Whim Estates, alright? So this unit is the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and it's pretty decent. We'll give you guys a walkthrough as promised. Hope you guys enjoy the drone shot was given to you of the actual development in our previous video, but enjoy this walkthrough with us and we'll try to explain as much as we can. I know that you guys have been requesting updates after updates. We've put things in place so that when the updates are ready, you guys will be given that update, alright? So we're just going to give you a quick tour. We've seen previous videos with persons with the land space that was not properly explained that we will definitely do in this video. So just stay tuned. Remember, when the ads pop up, watch 2 of the ads, watch 1 of them. Just watch something, alright? Remember to share all the videos, remember to like, remember to subscribe if you're new. And don't be selfish, guys. Everybody wants to know what is happening. So we're going to get right into the open house tour and you will definitely enjoy this one. So I'll catch you on the other side of this tour, alright?
So this is a very beautiful development, and as you can see, we're walking up to the front patio. The color of these units are very lovely as well. I just want to show you guys the inside of this unit. As you will know, this is an open floor plan. We have some very nice, beautiful windows, and they're letting in a lot of natural light into this unit. So the light is shining from the living room through to the dining area, right through to the kitchen. Alright. The colors that are being used as well, they are designed to make the space feel light and to let the space feel bright. Alright, so as you can see guys, the tiles are nice and the gray that is used on this wall is also lovely. So you can see the kitchen area is laid out pretty well. We have your upper cabinets, you have your lowers, you have your nice window overlooking your backyard that I definitely want to show you guys. But this is a very nice look with the upper color right there on your lower cabinet. So guys, as you can see, it's a very nice space. It's open. You will have to just put in the right furnitures and this space will be one that will be very comfortable. So let me just take you guys right into the main bedroom of this 2-bed 1-bath unit. As you can see, it's also very spacious inside this room. You can feel comfortable as you come in. There's also the windows letting in all that natural light, so the place will always be feeling bright. Over here, as you can see, we have ourselves a closet, and just above that, it's a little storage area. But this is a decent sized closet, and there's a door that gives you direct access to the bathroom from this room. The color scheme continues throughout the house, and this is looking very nice. This medicinal cabinet doubles also as a mirror, which is very beautiful, as well as you can see your outlet just above your toilet area to plug in your dryer and whatever other items you might need inside of your bathroom. Perfectly laid out. And just on the outside here, we have ourselves a nice little broom closet, which can also be converted into a linen closet by just adding a few shelves, and you will have to double up on the space. And there we go, some more storage in this unit. So this is the secondary bedroom, And these windows, I cannot stress the windows in this unit. They are lovely. And also our closet and storage just above that. And guys, I really want to take you to a place that makes me happy. Just before that, can somebody just say hi to Sam's? She's not in our video much, but here is that beautiful green space that I want to show you guys. It is absolutely amazing. This is not something that we find in our recent developments, so this is something to die for. Alright, as you can see that this backyard is pretty big. It's very spacious, and I'll give you guys a walkthrough of that. So the ropes on the ground, that I'll also explain, but not before I give you guys a quick walk around of this unit. So basically in previous videos, they would have just given you a shot of this space, not explaining that the ropes on the ground is what actually marks out the space of the unit. Alright, so the actual size of the lot is on screen. You guys can take a look of that, but also available, you'll be getting some bigger lots at a different price point. But guys, this is a lot of space that you can work with. Alright, so let's take this thing off the ground, and as you guys can see, the full view of the land space that is given to you. The minimum lot size is 4,500 square feet, and as you can see, these units come with your solar water heater pre-installed, and if memory serves correct, these units are also piped for your AC unit. Alright, you guys can get some more details of this development from the description below. But guys, this roof is the standing seam roof, and it is said that these can withstand up to a category 4 hurricane, so you know that you're getting quality for your money. They don't only look beautiful, but they provide you with that security. Alright, so it's great technology that build these roofs, so it is something to definitely invest in. And alongside here you can see the 2-bed, 2-bath model unit being constructed. I just want to point out to you guys that the 4,500 square feet is captured right between 2 white roofs that you're seeing there on the ground. Hope you can get a good shot of that. And that is the minimum size that you can get. So you can always get more. You just have to pay the extra, and all that land space can be yours to enjoy. So guys, this is definitely a steal. You don't want to miss out on an opportunity like this. Like we continue to say, just follow us for the updates and you'll never be disappointed.
Alright then guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Hope we captured as much as you would have expected, and hope all the explanations now make some more sense. So stay tuned to the channel. Remember guys, we give you the updates as they come, but definitely ensure that you're subscribed. Ensure that your post notification bell is working. If you have not received any updates in the last couple of weeks, couple of months, just turn it off and turn it back on. And guys, we'll definitely continue to update you. This is ChriSamz from Whim Estates, and it's peace out. See you guys in another video.